I would be remiss were I not to pay special tribute here publicly to the people of Haiti themselves, a people who have been deprived of everything, and yet who demonstrated the immeasurable wealth of their humanity. Towns that were destroyed were not pillaged or looted. The people demonstrated such dignity and such kindness, such exemplary stamina in their suffering, such boldness, such courage, such devotion, such solidarity and self-sacrifice. They loved the other. And I think that is how we have to describe the acts of heroism of the Haitian people. Let us show our respect for them.